Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, York, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you're thinking about moving across the country or to a new city, a long-distance move is the most stressful experience if not handled properly. You'll need to change your address with the post office, billers, and utility providers. Besides that, you'll need to prepare for all the packing of the belongings and moving them to a new place. Finding a quality moving company like 3 Movers could help simplify the moving process. The seasoned York long-distance movers ensure all the belongings safely reach their destination. Moreover, they will also offer a wide variety of relocation services and will document and ensure everything. If you try to move everything yourself, you won't just need to book a truck and cargo for your stuff, but also to spend one whole day packing and labeling everything. Moreover, unless you have moved multiple items, you won't know what your surprise would be. Also, you'll find yourself losing additional money on the fuel or losing your important stuff. But all that has to be taken care of when you recruit York local movers. Our expert movers have prior experience and will respond immediately to whatever queries you may have. In addition, they will not just shift your belongings in and out of the trucks, but also help you in packing and labeling, including those large and delicate items. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our York moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.